Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today I will explain distributive property. So first let me explain distributive law of multiplication over addition. So symbolically this can be written as A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. It states that multiplied by a number by the sum of numbers is the same as multiplying each number in the sum individually and then adding them up. For example, I will take two numbers 2 into 3 plus 6 equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 6. So here 2 into 3 plus 6 is 9 and 2 into 3 6. 2 into 6 is 12. So 9 2s are 18. This is also 18. So A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So multiplication over addition is a closed operation on distributive property. So this can be written as left distributive property. This is known as left distributive property. So let us see right distributive property. Right distributive property, this can be written as A plus B into C equal to A into C plus B into C. A into B plus B into C. So for example, same as it is 2 plus 3 into 5 equal to 2 into 5 plus 3 into 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 into 5 and this is 10 plus 15. So 25 equal to 25. So here satisfaction of condition A plus B into C equal to A into C plus B into C. So therefore distributive property under addition is closed operation. So therefore let us move to distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. This can be written as A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So this is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. It states that A is multiplied to a difference of numbers, that is B minus C, which should be equal to multiplied individually, that is A into B and A into C. So therefore let us move to example. So 5 into 6 minus 3 equal to 5 into 6 minus 5 into 3. So here 5 into 6 minus 3 is 3 and 5 into 6 is 30. This is 15. So 15 equal to 15. So satisfy this condition. So therefore multiplication over subtraction of distributive law is a closed operation. So therefore similarly we have a negation of distributive law. So let us see this property, that is distributive property of negation. It can be written as symbolically, that is minus of A plus B equal to minus A minus B. So this is negation of distributive property. Let me explain this with example. So minus of 5 plus 6 equal to minus 11. So now adding this individually, that is minus 5 minus 6. This is also we get minus 11 is answer. So both the values are same. So negation of distributive law is also a closed operation. So distributive law of multiplication over subtraction is a closed operation. So finally distributive laws can be written as, first one, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, and next one is A into B minus C is A into B minus A into C. So this is addition and this is subtraction. So let us see generalized distributive property. Generalized distributive property under addition. So this can be written as A plus B plus C plus D plus and so on Z plus Z into, I am taking this X. So that is equal to A into X plus B into X plus C into X plus D into X plus and so on, finally Z into X. So this is called as generalized distributive property on addition. So this is also a closed operation. So let us hope you are all understood this property. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.